To my first and last love, Joel. Looking back on our journey, every beautiful moment, every milestone, and even the struggles and pain, especially yung mga pinagdaanan natin this year, I realized it was all worth it because it brought me here to this very moment with you. Tinala mo ako sa rooftop kasi sabi mo, nabanggit ko once na mahilig ako sa city lights. After talking for hours, ang dami ko nang nakwento about sa life ko. Kasama na doon yung pagkawala ng daddy ko. Habang ikaw naman, tahimik lang na nakikinig. That was the first time in a very long time I felt heard. I felt the comfort. And that was the first time I truly felt alive again after losing my dad. For the longest time, hindi ko pala namalayan na ganun pala ako kalungkot sa buhay. Then you came out of nowhere. I believe God knew exactly what I needed, and it was you. You showed me how to live again. And I know, tuwang-tuwa si Daddy sa heaven for sure, dahil ikaw yung mapapangasawa ko. Dahil nakatagpo ako ng lalaking magmamahal at mag-aalaga sa akin, katulad ng pagmamahal at pag-aalaga niya. You're so gentle with me. You're so passionate in everything you do. You're loving. You're kind. That's why I feel so blessed to have you. I promise to be more patient, just like you always ask. Nahabaan ko pa yung pasensya ko sa'yo. I promise to hug you when you need it. I promise to dance, laugh, and cry with you. I promise to stand by your side as your partner and your biggest fan. I promise to respect you. I promise to love you through every high and low. I promise na ikaw na yung magiging top priority ko ngayon. And most of all, I promise to do my very best to be the wife and one day the mother of our children that you and our future family deserve. Here's to a lifetime of kulitan, tawanan, at inisan. Wala nang atrasan, and I can't wait to build everything we've ever dreamed of together. I love you now.
Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through